This is Santa Monica Pier. We're looking for the Route 66 sign. It should be here somewhere. The end of the trail, but for us, it's the beginning. This is literally the beginning of our trip to Chicago, and I can't wait.
We've just stopped off to see the Wigwam Motel.
I'm really hoping we're going to see lots of weird things like this.
Oh, I love the cars. Yeah, definitely a restoration project.
Yep, or two.
Or 5.
So we all want a wee, and we just asked the guy inside there if there was anywhere that we could use the toilet, and he said, yeah, use room 8, because they've only just left, and so we can go and have a wee in there. Hopefully everyone on Route 66 is as nice as that man was, and first cab.
Bloody hell.
This is Elmer's bottle run. Sadly, Elmer Long, who created all of this madness, died 2 or 3 years ago, so he's not here anymore. But what a legacy to have left behind. It's just weird. This is where Elmer lived, and he only had 1 bedroom in the house here because he didn't want people to come and stay. He thought they would if he had more than 1 bed, so he only ever had 1 bedroom. We're just about 3 or 4 minutes up the road from the Bottle Ranch, and we found our first proper Route 66 meal. So we're having meat, basically. Andy's in the shop looking for non-meat products, but we're having meat.
Never wanted anybody, never wanted anybody but you.
No one would play I Spy with Sonia, so she was playing it on her own.
Not playing anymore.
But the sad thing is, she was playing on her own, but she still got it wrong.
Suppose that's where you are, so I'll stay till you come back home.
It really is amazing.